So this is Gigabyte, and this is gigabyte.com. You have to come to this www.gigabyte.com. Then you can see here the search key, search button here, and enter your model number and then hit enter. Then click to product. This one. Click to support. Select your operating system which is you using. So this one, audio driver. Here to download the driver, you give one click to download it will. So I already installed. This size you can see 165 and 165. Just download it like that, just single click to open, and you can see this is the extract, so double click and then click to yes. Now this is C, you can install driver. Automatic close means this is installed.